Welcome to the Schedule.so tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up Custom SMTP in Schedule.so so you can send notification emails from your own email address. Using your own SMTP setup gives you more control over how your emails are sent and helps your notification emails feel more aligned with your brand. Let's get started. First, go to the top navigation bar and click on Custom SMTP. This is where you can configure your own email sending setup for schedule notifications. At the top of the page, you'll see the Custom SMTP server toggle. Turn this on to start setting up your custom SMTP connection. You'll also see a note letting you know that when you use a custom SMTP server, you are responsible for making sure your email provider meets the required security and privacy standards. Once custom SMTP is enabled, start by filling in the Sender Details section. In Sender Email, enter the email address you want to use for sending notification emails. This is the email your invitees will see as the sender. Next, enter the sender name. For example, you can use your company name or a personal name depending on how you want your emails to appear. This is the display name that will appear along with the sender email in the notification emails. Next, move to the SMTP provider settings section. Here, enter the details provided by your email service provider. In host, enter your SMTP server host. In port number, enter the port used by your provider. If your provider requires a secure connection, turn on the secure option. Then enter your username and password for the SMTP account. These details are used by Schedule to connect with your email provider and send notification emails through your own email setup. Make sure the values are entered correctly because even a small mistake in the host, port, username, or password can prevent emails from being sent successfully. Once all the required fields are filled in, click Send Test Email. This checks whether your SMTP settings are working correctly and helps confirm that Schedule can send emails using your custom setup. If needed, you can also click View Deliveries to review the delivery status of emails sent through your SMTP setup. After the test email is sent successfully, click Save to store your SMTP settings in Schedule. Now let's test the full flow with a real booking. Go ahead and book a demo. Once the booking is completed, the notification email will be sent using your custom SMTP setup instead of the default email setup. After the booking is completed, go back to Custom SMTP and click View Deliveries. This lets you verify whether the booking email was sent successfully and gives you a clear view of the delivery status. And that's it. You've successfully set up and tested your custom SMTP. This gives you more control over your email communication and helps create a more branded notification experience in Schedule.so.